What up, guys? It's your boy Shell Shock again, and today we're here for another unboxing, ripping for some Panini NBA cards. But before I start, I want to show you all the pulls that I have lately, and I think it will have a little value. I have here Jimmy Butler from a Donruss pack. I mean a mega box that I just opened a little while ago. There's a video about it. It's not a rookie card or anything special, but the card is the one that we're looking for on that mega box, so I think it would have a little value in the future. I have an insert here, Giannis Antetokounmpo. It's power in the paint insert, for all the Giannis fans over there. And I have Brandon Ingram. And Pelicans are really hot because they just made it to the playoffs, and they're the 8th seed. So Brandon Ingram is actually really balling. And this is the hollow card that we're looking for on that box. Alright, and also we have a LaMelo Ball sophomore player complete insert. Of course, LaMelo Ball values does go down a little bit, but it's still up there. And another LaMelo Ball base card, but this is the sophomore LaMelo Ball Donruss card. It's pretty new. I have a LeBron James, the orange laser Donruss. So LeBron really don't want to run away from me, because you guys know I'm a LeBron hater. Kidding aside, but if you guys are interested with this card, you guys can hit me up in the DM. I have some rookies. I got Jalen Green. I'm a Filipino. He's half Filipino. He's one of the good rookies this year. I also have Zaire Williams, a personal collection. This is an insert. Great expectation from Memphis Grizzlies. Young Cub. He's going to be good. This is my personal collection. I got the #1 pick, Cade Cunningham, base card. This is a rated rookie card, Donruss also. So I think if he keeps on playing good, the value will go up. And of course, I got a rookie card. This is the one from Mosaic that I just opened a little ago. It's Anthony Edwards from Timberwolves. He is the #1 draft pick. He didn't win Rookie of the Year, but he's really playing really good. They're at the 7th seed this year against the Memphis Grizzlies, and he balled out on that game 1. And also, his sophomore card, I have it over here. As you can see, it's green and yellow laser, and it's really awesome. Okay, so those are my pulls. Now we're going to the unboxing and ripping. This is the Panini Contenders basketball cards. This is the 21-22. So there's going to be a lot of new faces over there. I've been waiting this for so long. There's 8 cards per pack, and there's 5 packs per box. There's not much, but there's a lot of young bloods in this pack. It retails around like $27, so plus tax it's like probably $30. Never pay for retail anyway, so we got this for resale. Never get a chance to get new ones. And of course, when I unbox, I got my Ultra Touch Pro ready, I got my sleeves ready, and obviously I got my top loaders ready. Alright, so let's do it. Alright, so here's the Panini wrap, to authenticate it's legit. I don't care about that because I don't really resell. Unless somebody asks me to grab them something, Yeah, there you go. If it's open, then it's not legit. It's already open. Alright, official Panini NBA NFTs. Alright, so that's the blockchain over there. You can go to the website. Alright, let's rip this box. As always, hashtag who do you collect? Same thing. The packs are pretty cool. You got Scotty Barnes, Jalen Suggs, Cunningham. A lot of good players over there. I gotta put the Jalen Suggs away. Alright, so 5. We got 5 and 8 in the pack. Not much, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty valuable. Alright, first pack. Let's see. Whoop. I missed the sound. We got a season ticket. De'Aaron Fox. He's been injured all year long. Season ticket, Marco Fultz. He's back. He's been playing good. We got a Kyrie Irving one. So we put the vets on the side. We got Pascal Siakam, another on the side. Jeremy Grant from Detroit. Zach LaVine, season ticket. This one is DeAndre Ayton. It's a red foil. All right. So we'll sleeve that. And we have a Kevin Durant game night ticket card. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Not too bad. Not too bad. All right. KD. All right. We'll put the game night there. Next pack. I should have bought 2 blasters. This is a cold blaster box, by the way. I should have bought 2. Maybe I'll get another one. Trae Young. All-Star. He's back at the All-Star. And let's see. LeBron James. LeBron James doesn't really want to let go of me. I always get over LeBron James. Klay Thompson. He's back. Jackie Moon, I mean. Ben Simmons on Philadelphia jersey. He's on Nets now. Wah, wah, wah. Next would be TJ Warren. This one is Aaron Gordon, and he's a Nugget now, which is good. It's one of these new cards. Christian Wood. That's a gold foil. And Jamal Murray International Ticket, Canada. Not too bad. We're still looking for some rookies, though. Alright, we'll sleeve this. I got a lot of Christian Woods lately. That foil. Alright. We got our bets. I got next pack. We have 2 to go. It's going to be a quick one, huh? Gordon Hayward. He got injured, and the Charlotte Hornets are done this year. Giannis Antetokounmpo, the Finals MVP last year and a champion. All-Star also. We got James Weisman, very promising kid, but he haven't played yet because he was injured. You got, who's this? Tobias Harris. Tobias Harris, number 12. Brandon Ingram. I'm really liking him. Ja Morant. All right, here we go for my personal collection. Obviously, if we have a Ja Morant, it's going to a one-touch because it's my personal collection. I don't care what you guys say, but it's going to a one-touch because it's a Ja Morant. All right. I'm already happy. I mostly collect, you know. I just sell the cards that I don't like. Rudy Gobert, he's an all-star today. I mean, he's an all-star this year. We got another Ja Morant season ticket. I like that jersey, though. That jersey. They lost last night. They lost last night against the Wolves. It's okay. Rudy Gobert ticket. Let's see. Atlanta Hawks. Jalen Johnson. Rookie card. All right. Draft class 2021. The Hawks are in the playoffs. They did well. Is this our first rookie? Yeah, it is our first rookie. All right. Rookie, you're here. All right. We got 2 more packs to go. Let's see. All right. Season ticket. DeAndre Ayton again. Next season ticket. Eric Bledsoe. Clipper. Another season ticket. Derek White. He got traded to the Celtics. He's not in the Spurs no more. So it's blue. I'm guessing it's a Philadelphia 76er. Sixers. Oh, Seth Curry. He's not there anymore, too. He's in the Nets now. There's a lot of players getting traded here in this card. Karl Anthony Towns. I hate this guy because he's not on my team. He is an all-star this year, and he's been balling. He kicked my Grizzlies' ass last night. Dunk on Jaren Jackson Jr. All right. Next. Purple. Gold. Lakers, probably. Don't tell me it's another LeBron James. All right. Anthony Davis. Anthony Davis. They're out this year. Boo-hoo, Laker fans. All right, let's see. Red. What is this? Oop. I see a Dame Lillard shoe. So maybe it's Dame. It is! Dame Lillard. You see how I do that? Whew, look at that precise. See, I already know by the shoes. That's how good I am. All right, Damian Lillard is out for the season too. Portland is out. Atlanta Hawks. Clint Capella, international ticket. Not bad. I mean, it's Clint. All right, All-Star here. Last pack. You know, we don't have any luck with the rookies, huh? Or at least give me like 5 Grizzlies players. All right, Colin Sexton. He's been injured too. All right, here you go. Another another All-Star, and he's playing really good this year. Jason Tatum, young buck. Oh, I think it's a Nugget. This is a Nugget player. Nike Kobe. I wonder who is this. I like how it's Indiana pair. Sabonis. Yeah, it is Sabonis. He's not there anymore. He got traded, but he'll be fine. All right, let's see. Red. Shoes is another Kobe. Who wears Kobe into the red? Atlanta Hawks, Miami. We don't really know. Houston Rockets. I can't guess. John Wall. All right, John Wall. Haven't played in a while too. Ooh, there's a thick one. That must be a jersey one. Hopefully it's a good one. Oop. John Wall. Be lucky to me. Is this a Nike Presto shoe? Blue. Grizzlies. It's a Grizzlies shoe. Oh, Brooklyn Nets. Kyrie. Kevin Durant. Not bad. I like that. Katie. This one. Let's see. That's a KD shoes, though. I thought it was like a Nike Presto. I feel stupid now. Utah Jazz. Donovan Mitchell. There you go. Yeah, I'm good at guessing. All right, because there is one tech one there. Maybe we'll start the one in the back first. This is the last one. All right, so this is a ticket. Let's see. It looks the same. It's a Jazz Donovan Mitchell game night ticket. Look at that. They played good in game 1. They kicked Dallas Mavericks' ass. But I don't think they can do that if Luka was there. But Donovan Mitchell right there. All right, last card. It's pretty thick. Let's see. It's a jersey card, I think. RTS UGA. Come on, give me a good one, man. Oh, it's a rookie card, too. Let's see. Usman Garuba. I don't even know him. It's a rookie ticket. I have a different, I need a different, top loader for that. Because it is thicker. Okay. Maybe he's going to be good. I don't know. I kind of wish it's Jalen Green or Cunningham, though. Got Donovan Mitchell here. Okay. So that's about it for the Panini Contenders 2022. Should find autograph and memorabilia card. I should grab another one. Maybe I'll grab another one. I'll go to store and get it. So let's do a quick review. Alright, here are the base cards, obviously. That I pretty much don't care that much about. You know? Base cards. And here are the vets. The All-Stars. Donovan Mitchell. Kevin Durant. John Wall. Sabonis. Jason Tatum. Damian Lillard. Anthony Davis. Karl Anthony Towns. Rudy Gobert. Brandon Ingram. Giannis. Klay Thompson. LeBron James. Trae Young. Zach LaVine. Pascal Siakam. And a season ticket of Kyrie Irving. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. And then we got some game tickets with different color foils. I got a red foil DeAndre Ayton and Christian Wood gold foil. And I have some inserts. Should I call this inserts? It's a game night ticket. Donovan Mitchell. I need a sleeve. Donovan Mitchell. And I have international ticket Switzerland, Clint Capella. Also have Canada international ticket Jamal Murray. And what is this? Kevin Durant game night ticket too. So should I call that inserts? I don't know. And I have my rookies. Obviously, Usman Garuba. I haven't seen him play, to be honest with you. Or maybe I've seen him and I don't remember. And Jalen Johnson from Atlanta Hawks. And for my personal collection, I got my very own John Morant. Alright, so again, this is Shell Shock. This is the Panini Contenders 2021-2022 Blaster Box. And keep collecting. Peace.